Today we're protecting our chicken coop from unwanted intruders with the help of our new automatic chicken door. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a little screwdriver and hardware, and then your automatic chicken door. To get started, grab your 3 AA batteries and put it into the battery compartment. Slide on the battery door, then screw that down. The chicken door powers on and is ready to be set. Click the bottom button to switch it to time set mode and use the arrows to cycle through and set the time. Set what time you want it to open and close, then you're ready to hang it up. Find an area to install and screw it down. I was screwing through metal, so I needed a power drill for this part, but it held down securely and is ready to protect some chickens. You can wait for the time to open and close, or you can do it manually. So I manually clicked the up button and the door raised. I was a little worried it may scare the chickens, but they saw the opening and ran right outside like it's been there all along. Then of course, you can manually close the chicken door as well. If a chicken is in the doorway while it's closing, it'll stop and reverse again. And after a few seconds, it will try again. We have foxes and coyotes in our woods, and it's important to keep our chickens safe. Before this, I would make sure all our chickens were in bed, and then close the door to their coop every night. Now I can kick back at my desk and know that the automatic chicken door has my back and will close on its own. When the sun goes down, our chickens know to put themselves to bed. So as long as you put the timer an hour after sunset, it'll make sure they're good for the night. Now our chickens have outside access all through the day and can go out when the time is right. It's too cute seeing them standing in line waiting for the door to open in the morning. Then when it opens, they're running in and out of the coop all day, enjoying their outside time. This chicken door has brought us some much needed peace of mind. Not only that, but it looks nice too. Before this, we had a gaping hole, exposed with metal sides. Now it looks like a planned entryway. It's the perfect size for our chickens and has a long-lasting battery life. So if you're looking to add some extra security and less worry to your chicken coop, this chicken door might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go relax at my desk instead of going outside and closing the chicken door tonight. Our automatic chicken door has my back. See ya.